Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and today I'm going to share with you my All About Me preschool unit. I've created a science unit for my preschooler which introduces science topics to preschoolers via the Genesis 1 creation story. Today I'm going to share with you our All About Me, which is all about them, but it's called All About Me unit. First thing we did was read this book called What I Like About Me by Aliyah Zobel Nolan. It's a fun-loving book that proves to kids that in a world where fitting in is the norm, being different is what makes us special. If you look here, there's a page with a mirror which I held up to my preschooler and I asked her something she liked about herself. Then we praised her qualities and traits and how beautiful God has made her inside and out. Next, I introduced the Bible verse to her, Psalms 139:14, which says, I praise you, God, for I'm fearfully and wonderfully made. I took an inflatable earth and we tossed it back and forth to each other as I said different parts of the verse that would stop and she would have to fill in the rest, and we kept doing this back and forth until she memorized the verse. The next thing we did was continue our conversation on how God has made us all unique, and we talked about fingerprints. And I used this principle here to show how all of our fingerprints are different and no two are alike. It shows the three main patterns of fingerprints. I then had her dip her fingertips into finger paint and put it inside this picture of the magnifying glass, and then had her look through a magnifying glass to see if she could tell the print. She couldn't tell the prints with finger paint, so then the other option is to take a pencil, shading the paper. You put your child's fingerprint, rub it on there, take a piece of tape on her finger, and then take that piece of tape onto a piece of paper. And then there, with the magnifying glass, she was able to see the different designs of her fingerprints. The next thing I did was take a picture of my daughter using this Polaroid zip printer, which I'll link everything in the description below. You can print pictures straight from your phone using this, and then the back of the paper is thicker, so I stuck it right on top of the front of the book. And I created this book with different headlines, and she had to draw pictures for each of the different things. She was asking me to draw the pictures for her. I also did this unit with the kids from my homeschool co-op, where I had them all line up on one side of the room, and I named it the All About Me game, even though it's not called that. It's a game you guys have probably played, where I started asking questions about them. I would say, if your favorite color is blue, well, switch sides on the room. So they would have to go to the other side. And then I would ask questions such as, if you have a pet dog, switch sides. If you have a brother, switch sides. All different questions about the kids themselves. Hope you guys enjoyed this mini unit of All About Me. I will link everything that I talked about in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you look at my videos from last week, we did my 5 senses. We've done a bird unit. We have done a bunch of different videos. Just check out the playlist on homeschooling your preschoolers. We'll see you next time.